wait a minute. Actually, कौन सी है? इतना डर लग रहा है कि समझ में आ नहीं रहा है। नहीं, I can't see. यहाँ पे हो सकता है 60 स्टॉप वीडियो। म्यूट होना म्यूट। ओ माय गॉड, मुझे ये
Okay, hello everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
How are you? How are you, all of you?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. So, can you please put all of yourself on mute, and I will start how you will work. You can unmute and ask question and then mute again. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you all see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the rules. Can all of you see the rules?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So like
No, sir.
Can all of you see my screen?
yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can all
Good
of you
morning,
read?
sir. Sir.
Hello.
Sir, good morning, sir. My name is Satvik.
Hi, Satvik. Okay. Can
I
all
am
of you
new
please
joiner,
put...
sir. It's evening.
Very nice.
My name is Ganesh. Sir, start the class, sir.
Yeah. If you all mute yourself, then I'll start the class. Huh?
अब आ रही है ना आवाज? Okay, sir.
Yeah. So,
So,
okay.
what do we have to do with the second device?
That's what I'm explaining. So if you can all put on mute, then I will explain you what to do. Okay. So we will ask you some questions. Okay. All the questions will be of equal marks, 1000 marks for every question. Okay. Every
Sir,
Unmuted.
sir, you are on mute.
Sir, you're on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So all the questions that we will ask today are 1000 marks each. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you will get 30 seconds to answer the question. Okay. There is no negative marking. You cannot,
Okay, sir.
you cannot change the answer once you have answered. Okay. we will not repeat the question in any condition. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And no Google, no parents. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And if your phone gets disconnected or something, we are not responsible.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you, please
Yes, sir.
read the points again so that I can tell you
Sir,
details.
for winners, what reward?
You will get Amazon vouchers to shop anything.
For how much, sir?
We will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Have you all understood this? I'll go to the next slide. Okay?
Sir,
Yes,
where
sir.
should we answer?
Sorry,
Where should we type the answer?
we are telling you. So
Okay, sir.
in your other device, go to kahoot.it. Just look at this link and go there, and you will see a screen like what I'm showing you. You can go on this link on desktop also or mobile also, but the other one. Okay?
Sir, can you wait for 1 minute?
Yeah, we are waiting. Don't worry, we are waiting.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have not any another device.
Then you can open a window on this device only and open this link on the browser.
Sir, I have an app of the.
You can go on laptop also. That's okay. Same thing.
Do we need to download any app or something?
Sir, pin.
Sir, I got it.
You don't have to
Sir,
download.
what is the game pin?
Sir, just a second. I'm still working.
Once you see the screen, that's okay. Yes, very good.
Sir,
Anyone-
game pin. Sir, game pin.
I will tell you. We are not starting yet. Don't worry. I'll tell you everything.
Sir, it's still loading.
Take your own time. It's okay. We will wait. Anyone who has not switched on the camera, we will disable them. Okay? All of you have to enable the camera. Okay?
We can enable the camera. That's not an issue, but I really don't get how to get into this, sir. Can you please help me?
So, do we have to download this app on Play Store?
No, you don't have to download the app. You have to just go to the browser and write this URL, and you will get this screen in front of your computer or phone.
Okay. Come.
Okay, fine.
Can you all see the screen? Should I go ahead?
No, just a second. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now all of you can see the screen. Anyone who has a problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, so if you don't have, everyone, please mute your Zoom, and if you have a question, then only ask, please.
Sir, see this Dhriti screen.
Please mute yourself, all of you, please. And if anyone is not able to reach the screen, please say this, else everything is okay.
Sir,
Okay.
I'm not able to reach.
You have to type kahoot.it on your browser on your phone.
Sir, it's asking for some pin, I think, yeah. It's asking
Can you
some
see?
game pin.
Correct. We will tell you the game pin, but rest is okay. Okay,
Video
we-
चालू कर.
Game pin.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I'll explain you. Don't do anything, okay? Don't do anything on your screen. Okay? After this, we will tell you how it works, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do not do anything, don't enter anything on your phone, okay? So we will show you a screen like this, and the game pin is
अच्छा तुम्हारी वीडियो ऑन करवाना चलो बाहर जाने बैठो.
Sir, can you show the game pin? So you show the game pin. It's something like, I think.
see, if
Sir, show me the game pin, please.
till the time we are all quiet, we cannot do anything. So if you please be quiet, can all of you be on mute, please?
What's some disturbance from you?
Sir, it is not opening.
Sir, there's some disturbance coming.
Yes, sir, there's a lot of disturbance.
The admin, can you please mute everyone, and everyone please talk to me via chat only. Admin, can you please mute everyone?
Okay, muting everyone.
Sir, please, sir, game pin. Sir, please game pin.
Hitesh, you have to unmute yourself.
471.
471.
Sir, can you show the pin?
Yeah, we will give you the pin, but we will do a demo first, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
1 second.
sir. Okay, sir. Yes. Sir, I cannot hear you.
Yeah,
Excuse
because-
me, sir.
Yeah, can you wait for a second?
Okay.
Sir, what
Yeah.
happened, sir?
We are starting the quiz now.
Sir, I can't get
So what is the pin?
Sir, I'm muting everyone one more time.
Yeah,
Okay?
sir, what is the pin?
You can just unmute yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
You can unmute yourself. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we are loading the game. Give me 5 minutes, okay? You can talk to us via chat, please. All of you can see my screen? Anyone who cannot see it, please respond on chat. Okay, can you see the pin? The pin is 5462896. Can you all put on your kahoot.it page? The pin number is 5462896. You will start seeing your name as soon as you click on register. We have Kush, Rohit, Man, Ritvik, Anika, Thana, everyone is joining. Join. Can you see your names? All of you who are registering, you can see your names. We can see 43 people have registered, 44, 45. We have about 66 of you online, so we will start the quiz as soon as the number reaches about 60 plus. If anyone has a problem, you can message us.
Sir, you'll also have to explain that how do they answer what they will see here, what they'll see on their screen. हाँ, तुम्हारे को खुद अनम्यूट करो ना तुम। अच्छा, एक सेकेंड। आस्क टू अनम्यूट लिखा रहा है।
Okay, guys, as soon as we will start in about 2 minutes. If any one of you has not registered, try again. Else, it will be for the people who have registered. If you are inside the screen, it's fine. You would be seeing a screen which says you are in. And your nickname will be there. You have to go to kahoot.it and enter your nickname. We are starting in 1 minute. Anyone who is left out, please try immediately. Johanna, please go to the different device and go to kahoot.it. You would be able to enter this pin, which is 5462896, and you'll be able to enter. We already have 53 registrations. We will be starting in a minute. Anyone, we have muted you all. You have to address to us via chat only, please. So we cannot address the technical issues of everyone. We will be starting the quiz now. I'm locking the number of participants. Aman, we really don't know what's happening on your screen, but it seems people are able to log in. So can you please try again? Are all of you able to get in? Okay, guys, we are starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we are locking the number of participants now at 54.
Hitesh,
Yeah.
just explain that they'll see the color code and they have to answer that from the color code.
Yeah. So I'm starting the quiz. The first question is coming. Is the quiz form. You have to select the color of the box of the right answer. So on your screen, you would be seeing 4 boxes. You have to select the color which has the right answer. "42" of you have answered, 43, 44, 45 of you have answered, 48. And time up. And 40 of you have correctly answered it. Let's see who is the highest scorer right now. It is Kunal. Kunal is the highest scorer as of right now. Neil is the second highest. Thanya is the third, followed by Jia and Anika. Guys, you need to pick it up. We are going to the next question now. The next question is on your screens now. How many balls are in 1 over in cricket? Select the answer of the right based on the color of the right answer. "44 of you said 6, which is correct. Let's see the score now. We have Thanya, who has gone to first rank at 1905 points, followed by Kamal, followed by Abog, Anika, and Tanushka. Guys, buck up, guys. You have to do faster. It starts with 1,000 and it keeps reducing the score as you take more time. We are going to the next question now. The next question has 4 options. What is Virat Kohli's jersey number? What is Virat Kohli's jersey number? We've got 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 50, 51 answers, 52. "22 of you had a right answer. Now let's see what's the score now. Parents, please do not help your children. Kunal is now the highest, followed by Sachit, followed by Anika, by Man and Arjun. This is exciting. Arjun, you have just joined in the top 5 now. We are going to the next question now. The next question is a 4-option question. Bharatnatyam is the folk dance prevalent in which state of India? Parents, please do not support your kids. And all of you, please keep your camera open, please. You have to be very fast in responding. "49, do it faster. Rukmini, do it faster. 26 of you were correct. The answer is Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is the folk dance from Tamil Nadu. Let's see the scores. Kunal is still the highest, followed by Anika, followed by Amog. Rupanjan is the new person who has come in. Rupanjan, fantastic. Ansh, you're very close. Guys, what are you doing? You have to do faster, right? After this, I'm going to the next question. The next question is a 4-option. Birju Maharaj is famous for which form of dance? And your options are Lavani, Bharatnatyam, Kathak, and Kuchipudi. Select your answer fast. The more time you take, the less you score. 23 of you are right. The right answer is Kathak. Let me see who is the highest scorer now. So Anika is the highest scorer, followed by Amog, Tanushka, Kunal, and Jason. Jason, you're new to top 5. Congratulations. Guys, you need to pick up your scores, man. One second. 7 players have answered 4 back-to-back answers. Great stuff. Which company's logo is this? You've got 45 answers. That's quick. That's very fast. 48. Okay, except one person, 49 of you have marked this question correct. This is fantastic. So let's see the scoreboard. So Anika is still the highest. Amog is second. Tanushka, you're third. Kunal, you have gone down to 4th. Buck it up, man. And Jason, you're on 5th. And 10 players have answered 3 questions back to back. This is phenomenal. We are going to the next question now. People who are not in top 5, there are a lot of questions. You can still keep it up. Please keep trying. Which country is Malala Yousafzai from? You have to select out of US, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and France, which country is Malala from? You've got 44 answers, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51 people answered it, and 39 of you are correct. Malala is indeed from Pakistan. Now let's see the leaderboard, shall we? So Anika is still the highest, but Man has made a comeback with 3 answers in a row. Guys, we have 30 plus questions, so you can quickly join to the top 5. Keep running fast. We have Anika, Amog, Kunal, Jason, and Man who are in the top 5 right now with their scores. Now let's go to the next question. Which is not a Disney movie? Which is not a Disney movie? The answers are Snow White, Frozen, Lion King, and Chota Bheem. Even if you are at the score of about 2,000 to 3,000, you can still make up because all it takes is 2 questions right. So don't give up, keep answering. And parents, please do not support your kids here. 49 of you have answered correct. Yes, it's Chota Bheem, which is not a Disney movie. Let's see the scores. So Anika has done a phenomenal job. She's on the first rank still, followed by Amog, Kunal, Man, and Jason. Arjun, you're back in the game. So guys, even if you are in the range of about 4,000, you're just 3 questions away from the highest score. So please do not give up. The next question is as follows. What was the name of the horse in the movie Tangled? In the movie Tangled, what was the name of the horse? "51 of you have answered. And yes, indeed, the answer is Maximus. 25 of you got it right. This is fantastic. The scores are not changing. Neil and RV have come into the top 5. Anika is maintaining the lead. Guys, you need to pick it up. Now let's go to the next question. It's a 4 answer. How many faces does a Rubik's Cube have? 10, 7, 5, 6. All it takes is the right answer with the right speed. We are just 10 questions away. We have 35 more questions. Do not worry. Any one of you can be in the top 5 right now. "50 answers already. 51. Yes, we are done. 46 of you are correct. Yes, it is 6 sides of the Rubik's Cube. Let's see the total tally right now. So Amog has beaten Anika. And now Anika is on number 2. Kunal is on number 3. Neil and RV are still in the top 5. The scores are 3 of the people have 7 back-to-back right answers. This is fantastic. We just have 10 questions. We have 37 more questions to go. You can see on the bottom left of my screen. So you have a lot to catch up. The next question is, which country was Mahatma Gandhi born in? South Africa, Indonesia, India, or Nepal? Please do not be in a rush. Look at the answers properly. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 45 of you are correct. Indeed, he was born in India. Let's see the scores. Amog, Anika, Kunal, Neil, and Arvi are still the top 5. We can beat them. We are just not even 25% through in our quiz. Please please maintain patience. Look at the question carefully before answering. The next question is on your screens now. What is coronavirus? Is it a candy? Is it a strawberry pie? Is it a viral infection? Or is it a chocolate? All of you have answered except one. It seems a lot of you answered very fast. That is great. Let's see how we are doing on the scores. 49, only one person answered this as a chocolate. That is interesting. Let's see the scores. The scores are not moving, guys. We have to pick it up. Amog, Anika, Kunal, Neil, and Arvi. And Amog and Anika are exactly on a tie right now. So let's see the next question. And everyone else, please see the question carefully. Where did coronavirus originate? Is it Tokyo, New York, Seoul, or Wuhan? Which city did coronavirus originate from? It seems all of you have answered, but we have set the timer at 30. So we will wait for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's see. So 2 of you think it's from Japan. It's not. The right answer is Wuhan in China. And let's see the scores now. So Rohit, you are doing great. 3 answers right, but Amog, Anika, Kunal, Neil, and Arvi are still there. And it is very interesting that Amog and Anika are on the exact same score. So let's see the next question, guys. It's a quiz. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Was it Mountbatten? Was it Canning? Was it Robert Clive? What is General Dyer? This is a slightly tricky question. Be careful in answering. One wrong answer can actually grit you out of the rankings. One right answer can actually pull you back in the rankings. We have 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. 26 of you were right. Yes, it was Lord Mountbatten. Let's see how we are doing. So it seems Anant, Ansh have come into the top 5. Neil has jumped from 4th to 3rd. And Amog and Anika are still there. Anika seems to have missed this answer because her score is same as last. So let's see the next question. The next question is, guess the country which has this flag. Is it Japan? Is it Jersey? Is it Jamaica? Is it Jordan? The key to doing well in this quiz is to be extremely careful and look at the answers carefully. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 49 of you are correct. This is very impressive. And let's see the scores. People are catching up. Anant, Ansh, Neil, you're very close to the 3rd and 4th. Amog is maintaining a lead. And we are just 15 questions done. We are still 32 more questions to go. So let's keep the tempo rolling. The next is a quiz. Who created Facebook? This should be easy. George Lana, Adolf Hitler, Bill Gates, or Mark Zuckerberg? Twelve more seconds. 31 of you are correct. Now let's see how we are doing on the rankings. So Amog is still top. Ananta has come to the second. Kunal has come to third. Jia and Thanya. And as you see, the top 5 has 3 new names now. So Mahi, you are the highest climber right now, and we'll soon see you in the top 5. Okay, we are going to the next question now. It's a 4th quiz. The largest state in India by area. Is it Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, or Rajasthan? Which is the largest state in India by area? "28 of you are right. Yes, it's indeed Rajasthan. Let's see the scores now. Amog is maintaining the lead. Ananta, Kunal, Jia, and Thanya. We have seen Neil, who has gone out of top 5. We are just 17 questions done. We still have 30 questions to go. So you can actually you can turn around this table very fast. Daivik, you have done 3 questions right. This is fantastic. We are going to the next question now. It's a quiz again. Who is this? Identify the image. Spend some time to look at the image. No hurries. Let's see the scores now. Let's go to the next question. Which is the capital of Egypt? Quickly write the answers quickly. We will go through the questions quickly. We are losing time right now. Let's see the scores. Kunal has come to number 2. Let's go to the next question. Which is the capital of China? Guys, you should know this. Is it Wuhan, Yonzud, Beijing, or Tokyo? Yes, indeed, it's Beijing. Let's see the scores. Thanya, congratulations. Let's see the next question. Animals that eat both meat and plants are called what? Picky eaters, omnivores, turfivores, or herbivores? Animals that eat both meat and plants are called what? We have 49 answers already. Fantastic. Yes, you're right. Amog is the highest answer streak. Let's go to the next question. What is an earthquake? This should be easy. Is it thunder, strong winds, hailstorm, or violent tremors? And by the way, we have a session on earthquake coming soon on Podium. So one of the days you will get to see what earthquakes are all about. Let's see the scores. Yes, it's right. Guys, you need to hasten up your speeds now. Let's go to the next question. What is the planet closest to the sun? Mercury, Earth, Pluto, or Uranus? This is great. 49 of you have already answered this question. We have a session also on geography and especially planets coming up soon on our Super Hour. We hope that you log in every day to our Zoom calls and make sure your parents are part of the groups. Let's see the scores now. Okay, almost all of you are correct. Guys, come up. Okay, the next question is, what is Podium, the platform on which you are right now? Is it online classes by best teachers? Is it a city in Australia? Is it a candy bar or is it a potato? This should be right. We will be very surprised if you make this answer wrong. You are currently on Podium. And it's great to see 52 of you have answered with 10 seconds already available. I would be very keen to understand what have you answered. This is amazing. 2 of you think that we are a city in Australia. Fantastic. And 2 of you think we are a potato. That is great. The scores are still in the same ratios. Shikhar is back to the game. Let's see the next question. Who is this? Identify the image. Is it Justin Bieber? Is it Freddie Mercury? Is it Michael Jackson? Or is it Tupac? This is an image of a person. You have to identify who that person is. At Podium, we are trying to create a series of classes for you, which will increase your knowledge about things other than academics on a regular level. And this is a part of that. We'll be having regular quizzes. Let's see. Okay, 42 of you are right. The tally is changing. We have got new members. Let's see how you're doing next. Who is this singer? Is it Taylor Swift? Is it Selena Gomez? Is it Miley Cyrus? Or is it Demi Lovato? 37, 38, 41, 44, 45. 46 of you, 47, 48, 49. 3 of you are still waiting. By the way, we have a singing class coming soon. Okay, 31 of you are correct. Let's see the scores. Tanushka, great to see you in the top 5 now. Let's see how we are doing on the next question. Who is this singer? Is it Ed Sheeran? Is it Harry Styles? Is it Justin Bieber? Is it Drake? This should be known to all of you. Quite popular. Parents, please do not help your children. This is for their own good. This is for them to understand how they're doing. Request you not to help your children. "34 of you are right. Yes, it's Justin Bieber. Let's see the scores now. Tanushka is increasing the tally. Great. Sanchit is back in the game. Let's see the next question. Who is he? Is it Satya Nadella? Is it Sundar Pichai? Is it Elon Musk? Or is it Narendra Modi? You must be seeing a lot of this face on internet right now. We would be doing a lot of stuff in the space this person belongs to, which is coding. So let's see how we're doing. 31 of you are right. Yes, it is Satya Nadella. Let's see the scores. Jason and Gia have joined the top 5. Let's see the next question. A person who studies and designs buildings is called an archaeologist, an anarchist, an architect, or an artist. Who designs buildings? 47 of you have already answered this. 48 of you. 49, 50. Don't forget, the winner will get Amazon vouchers. We will be declaring the winner on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Yes, it's indeed called The Architect. Let's see how we are doing. We need to see new people. Sakshi, welcome to the top 5. Let's see the next question. What is the name of this building? Is it the Taipei 101? Is it Burj Al Arab? Is it the Freedom Tower? Or is it the Burj Khalifa? You have to identify this building. This, by the way, is one of the most renowned buildings in the world. Very complex architecture, made over an ocean on a man-made island. 51 answers already. We are very fast. This is fantastic. Yes, Burj Al Arab is the right answer. Only 23 of you, which is not even 50%, got it right. Let's see the scores now. So we have Ansh, who has come in the top 5. Great. Let's go to the next question. What is the name of this building? This is slightly tricky. Please be careful when you look at the building. Is it the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque? Is it the Kingdom Tower? Is it the Humayun's tomb? Or is it the Hagia Sophia? This is one of the most iconic buildings in architecture studied worldwide. Yes. 46 of you have answered this question. Great. Yes. It's Hagia Sophia, and only 7 of you got it right. This could change the tables now. Let's see how we are doing. Ananta has entered the top 5. Prisha Saxena is a very high climber who has come up 5 places. Let's see the next question. The next question is, what is the name of this building? This is a very, very popular building. Is it the Guggenheim Museum? Is it the Louvre? Is it the Metropolitan Museum of Art? Or is it the Uffizi Gallery? Art galleries worldwide are known to be extremely popular in the architecture. This is something you would have seen in movies, a lot of sci-fi movies. It's a very popular structure. Let's see how many of you get it right. The last question was Hagia Sophia. Yes, it's Louvre, and yes, only 50% of you could get it right. Johanna has 3 answers. Daivik has entered the top 5. And Jason, Ananta, you have raised a lot of bars right now. Let's see the next question. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Was it Leonardo da Vinci? Was it Van Gogh? Was it Picasso? Or was it Raphael? Wow, this is quick. 47 of you have answered before the first 15 seconds only. 49 of you. 50, 51. Yes. So this is a part of the answer which you solved the last time. Yes, it's in the Louvre, and it is the famous Mona Lisa. Let's see how you got it right. 43 of you have got it right. Yes, it was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Let's see the scores right now. Amog is maintaining the top position. Guys, please make sure your parents are not helping you. Neil, congratulations. You're about to make a comeback in the top 5. Keep up the good pace. Let's see the next one. What sport does Roger Federer play? Tennis, cricket, hockey, or Stapu? Guys, you do know Roger Federer. He's among the most followed sports people worldwide. Known for his charisma, the brand ambassadors, and the fact that he's among the most renowned names. 51 of you are right, 52, and yes, you have all done your answers. Let's wait for a couple of seconds before we see who has got it right. And yes, 39 of you have got it right. Indeed, this is tennis. Let's see the scores. Ansh has come in the top 5. The top 4 are not moving. Guys, Srishti, you have done 3 answers in a row. Fantastic. Let's see the next question. Who is the president of China? Now, you would be seeing a lot of this on television. Is it Mao Zedong? Is it Li Jinping? Is it Qin Shi Huang or Virat Kohli? Okay. Who is the president of China? We have a lot of things going on with China right now. You would be watching news, you would be definitely knowing this answer. 34 of you, yes, indeed know this answer. One of you actually answered it, Virat Kohli. I'm very proud of that person. Let's see the next scores. Swasti has done a good stuff. Kunal, Devik is in top 5. Amog is unbeaten. You guys need to answer more questions fast. The next question is, which country is this flag of? Is it the Faroe Islands? Is it Finland? Is it France? Or is it Fiji? 31, 32, 34, 37, 44, 45, 47. You guys are super fast, guys. 48, 49, 50, 51. Time up. Yes, it's Finland. Let's see who of you have done great in the scores. The top 5 is not moving. Rishik, you have done good with 3 rows. Guys, just put more efforts. We are still 11 answers away. 11,000 more points are available. So everyone can join the top 5. Try it out now. The next question is, what is the official currency of Europe? American dollar, pounds, euro, or peso? Currencies run countries. In India, we have the rupee. What currency is used in Europe? It's also one of the most valuable currencies. 51 of you have answered. One person has still not answered. And yes, indeed, it's euro. Let's see how we are doing. Jason is getting close to Amog. Devik, you need to just answer a couple of more questions. Divyanshi Dubey, you have done 3 answers right. You are super fast. I shall look forward to seeing you in the top 5 very soon. Let's see the next question. What is the official currency of China? Is it the shilling? Is it the renminbi? Is it yen? Or is it dollar? This should be known to you. 49 of you have answered this correctly or not. You'll just know. We still have 10 more questions. You can quickly cope it up. Please maintain the tempo. The top winners will get Amazon vouchers. Yes. Okay, only 4 of us could answer this right. That means the top 5 tally can change now. Okay, the top 5 tally remains the same. 12 people lost their answer streak of back-to-back 6. This was a tough one. So let's see the next question. What happens at the end of the Avengers Endgame? Iron Man dies, Hulk kills Thor, Thanos snaps again, or Captain America dies? Now this should be known. I know all of you are Avengers fans, right? The answer of this will tell me how big fans are you of Avengers. Iron Man dies indeed, and yes, 35 of you are right. So I was not wrong. All of you are fans of Avengers. Are we seeing change in scores? No. Sanchit, you are a highest climber. You're very close to the scores. I'll see the next question now. Question 40 is, what made Olaf in the movie Frozen? Who made Olaf in the movie Frozen? Olaf is in front of you. This is a snowman. Was it Elsa? Was it Anna? Was it Kristoff? Was it Hans? Who was the one who made Olaf in the movie Frozen? Okay, 50 answers. 40 of you are right. Now, this tells me that you are more of fans of Frozen than of Chinese currency. Rohit Ganesh has come a lot. RV is in the top 5 right now. The gap is getting smaller and smaller between The top 4, it's just 1000. We can make it up. Let's see the next question. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to do what? To become a president, to win an Oscar, to become a surgeon, or to go to space? This should be easy. Let us see how many of you actually are aware of the famous people from India. 51 of you have already answered this question. Okay, let's see this. 48 of you are right. That's incredible. Okay, Tanushka is top 5. Nikunj is back in the game. Guys, we are still just about 6 more questions to go. So anyone who's about 6,000 away from the top score still has a lot of chance. Remember, the winners get Amazon vouchers. Keep up the good pace. We are getting to the next question now. Who invented the light bulb? Was it Thomas Edison? Was it Vladimir Abelkov? Was it Nikola Tesla? Was it Ernst Karl Abbe? Who invented the light bulb? 49 answers. Okay, people do know their science. Let's see how we're doing in inventions and discoveries. 2, 1, go. Absolutely right. 48 of you have done it right. So I see scores not moving. Let's see the next score. We should have a tougher question so that we move some tallies. Who invented the steam engine? Was it James Watt, James Cook, William Watt, or William Cook? I don't know why we have done so easy questions. Steam engine. We don't see it more often on the tracks right now. A very few steam engines only. You see one in Darjeeling, one in Shimla. Let's see how you have answered this question. 35 of you are indeed correct. Yes, it's James Watt. Let's see the next score tally. Kunal is back in top 5. Daksh is back in the game. We are off to the next question. Who invented the aeroplane? Was it the Jesus brothers, Wrong brothers, Wright brothers, or the Flight brothers? This is easy. I have a lot of interest to see who has set up this question, because this indeed is an interesting question to answer. How you have answered will tell me a lot about how you have known history. One of you are indeed right. One of you actually believes it's the Jesus brothers. Faith in the God is always good. Avantika is back in the game. 3 answers in the row. RV is back in the top 5. Let's see the next question. Which is the largest alive bird known to man? Is it the flamingo? The image is not the representative of the actual bird. Is it the Martian eagle? Is it the emperor penguin? Is it the ostrich? Flamingo, African martial eagle, emperor penguin, or the ostrich? This is a tricky one. This can make or break the top 5 tally. Let's see how we are doing after this question. Okay, 27 of you are right. Yes, it's indeed the ostrich. Yes, it was a tough one. Let's see how we have impacted the scores. Kunal is back in top 5. 11 players have answered 7 questions back to back right. We are just 2 questions away from the winners. Let's go to the next question. Guys, concentrate. We are just 2 questions away. What is the profession of Ruskin Bond? Is he an engineer, an author, an architect, or a photographer? A quick trivia here. We are launching a course in the same space, most probably by the same person on podium. You guys stick around on Podium, be a part of our WhatsApp groups. You'll be getting a very, very set of high quality, interesting updates. And we'll be teaching you what Ruskin Bond teaches too. Yes, he's an author. 43 of you are right. This is phenomenal. Let's see the last question after the ranking. So Amog is on the highest score right now. Anant, you're second. Daivik, Jason, and Kunal. We are one answer short of the winner. Let's see the last question. Who is she? We have 4 answers. Who is the image in front of you? Is it Shakti Mohan? Is it Priyanka Chopra? Is it Asha Bhosle? Or is it Nirmala Sitharaman? Quick trivia again. Whatever this person teaches, we are launching a course on that, and we will hopefully have this person interact with you soon. Podium is creating wonders, and we want you to be a part of this. 27 of you are indeed right. So now, are we all ready for the results? Let's see. So the podium of the super quiz is Daivik is number 3 with 37,000 points. Ananta is number 2. And the winner of the quiz is Amog, who is at number 1. Amog, this is, you have Jason, who's at number 4, and Sakshi at number 5. Could I request congratulations, Amog, Ananta, and Daivik, and everyone. We would be having a lot of these quiz going forward. Unfortunately, we could have only 52 of you to participate. We were hoping we would be 100 plus. But next time, I'm sure that all of you will be doing amazing jobs. We would be Amog, Anant, and Daivik. You can please reach out to us on our WhatsApp groups. Your parents can message us on the WhatsApp group, and we will be releasing the prizes soon. Admin, can you make everyone unmute themselves so they can give their feedbacks if there's a challenge, etc.?
So it was a very wonderful session, and I just have learned much more things.
Thank you. I'm just
I learned many things.
so let's evaluate the quiz. The most difficult question.
I learned new things. Answer.
Sir, actually what happened was that in between I couldn't attempt 2 questions because of some network issue. So
Yes.
there my points went.
Sir,
No.
for me also, sir, 7 questions.
Yes, that's how it works. I'm sure next time you will do a better
Sir,
preparation.
when is the next quiz, sir?
No, it happened because of network. It wasn't showing the answer. To select.
Sir, I love the quiz.
Showing.
Now you have to tell us that did you all enjoy it or not?
Yes, we loved it.
Yes, we loved it.
It
We
was
just
really
enjoyed it a lot.
I would love to have
It
was really nice.
Tomorrow also.
I like the quiz a lot.
Sir, when is the next quiz, sir?
Will there be class tomorrow?
So I will tell you.
Sir, when will we have the next
I would like to have it again. So when will we have our next class?
Okay, so next class is tomorrow.
Top 5 people to.
And sir, when is the next quiz?
So we will have every day
Sir,
5
at which
to
time,
6
sir,
p.m.
tomorrow?
5 to 6 p.m. every day.
We
You have to be.
give it 5.
Sir, 5 to 6 every day, sir.
Yes, we will have a class or a quiz.
We should give till 5 place vouchers.
We will give to the first 3 this time, but we will eventually keep. We are doing for first 3 only. We will be contacting the winners. So the winners, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp.
Vouchers, sir.
We will declare, and so for the next few days, please request all of your friends to join the WhatsApp groups. Are all of you a part of our WhatsApp groups?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is
Yes,
Full
sir.
all
really
your
amazing. I'll be waiting when is the next
Okay,
year.
sir.
Yes, sir. Same. Yes,
so
sir.
so the winners of the
Sir,
quiz.
when will be next quiz?
Okay, so I'm telling you, all of you. Admin, can you mute all of them and I will answer all the questions? And then allow me to unmute myself also, please.
Sir, when will be next quiz?
So the next quiz will be in the next few days. Every day, 5 to 6 p.m., you will have an amazing session on Podium. Everything is free. You are free to join. We have stuff from earthquakes to dancing to painting to knowing how factories work to space exploration. You will love the assortment. All of you have to promise me that you will ask all your friends to join these groups and get the updates. The winners of today's quiz have to send us an email on hello, HELLO, at podium.school. I'm writing it in the chat. The winners have to send us an email at hello@podium.school. The winners, the top 3 winners, have to send us an email with their details on hello@podium.school. I have put this on the chat also. We will also put this email ID on our WhatsApp groups so that you can send us an email. We are so excited.
Or we will declare the name of the winners on our Facebook page. You can also reply in comments there with your email IDs.
Yes. Please come to our Facebook page regularly. You can comment with, did you like it? Did you not like it? Please keep giving your feedbacks to us on WhatsApp and on Facebook so that we can create more of these quizzes. I really hope all of you liked this quiz. A lot of you did a great job. A lot of you were almost close to winning it. Next time, I'm sure you will be better prepared and you will be doing a great, fantastic job. Raise your hands if you liked the quiz. Raise your hands, please, if you liked the quiz. Okay, I see a lot of you. Yes, a couple of you are not raising hands. Johanna didn't like the quiz. Avantika didn't like the quiz. Avantika liked the quiz, yes. Kush didn't like the quiz. All of you, raise your hands. Amog, you have won the quiz, so I'm assuming you should like the quiz. I can see you smiling. Okay, great. Thanks a lot, guys, for participating. We will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. and we will update you on the class tomorrow morning. Thank you and have a great evening.